Pocket change in the big store. Yo, BigJohn, Stud, Carolina Station. Bye.
There's Snake Doctor and Creeper, your Watchmaker. I'm back on the side, listen.
How
about that Watchmaker 445 waving?
Reach a million, New Jersey in the mail.
How about that Watchmaker Texas 445 waving?
Get the heck out of here, radio man. Boy, you sound real good in my receiver. About time, Mr. 445. 445. Right on back.
Alright, Watchmaker. I heard 920 come in there too. Hey, hey, Watchmaker 445 had a brain fart. Hey, it sounded good on that shockwave. Tempo?
Thank you very much.
Hello to you out there at 445, Kilowatt bottom side of
Definitely.
waving.
A little more tune to it. Try to get it out across the... Mr. 445.
Hey, Dr. Dre, I'm just trying to see if he want to go a few rounds. Hey, Dr. Dre, 42-1 in khaki lackey, trying to get down, man. I'm trying to join, I'm trying to get...
Alright, Watchmaker. I'm pointed right at you, and I got Carolinas coming in my back door pretty strong. Hey, Watchmaker, have a good one over there in Texas, 445 with the gang rolling. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
All right, sir. You have yourself a good night. 445.
That's kind of scary. You're afraid to just start
One more time to get in their radio. 445, Kilowatt bottom side of Virginia. Waving and gone, break.
Hey, 920, I don't mean to cut you off out there. Hey, 920, you sounded good this evening. 445 said in his radio. Hey, 920 Texas, 445 waving at you. Bye.
wave. I'm just trying to get up in the mix. Dr. Dre. Bye.
Use it as your drug. That's not what you love, man. I've been having terrible luck with I mean, like... 076, I understand that, but... Man. It's turning around, though, isn't it? It's looking a whole lot better for me.
Get back around that DX.
Hey, Snake Doctor. At least you have that to get back to.
Alright, Dr. Dre. Boy, you don't need no more. You don't need no more Mother Nature either. Hey, Dr. Dre, you don't need no more Mother Nature. Boy, you got a stick out there. Take care of Dr. Dre. I'll put it on you later. 42-1 in the Carolinas. Bye. Good day.
I'm the same way. Hey, Snake Doctor, I'm the same way, but I like my PC right next to the CB because it makes the time a whole lot easier. Snake Doctor, I'm going to use it. I'm not going to hold it up any longer. I'm going to let somebody else talk. I'm gone now.
How about this North Carolina? Are you sure you hear how about this North Carolina saying? Hello, 88. Hello, 88. Mother Nature ain't quite got you all up in here, but I want to wave a hand. 88, 42-1 in the Carolina. Come on!
I'm just cutting up, brother. Take them easy. Take care. I think I'm 1420 still out here listening somewhere. And I'm back down.
42-1. 42-1. Hey, 88, 42-1. 88, 42-1 in the Carolina. You're radio this time. Hello. Can you hear me now, Moldrop? I'm on a strictly barefoot. I appreciate that. Big old Father-Day wave to you. I appreciate it. Big old Father-Day. Later, Moldrop of Tennessee. BigJohn, Stud, Carolina. 88, Mojave.